Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are jumping into the September BoxyCharm box. Normally this is the first unboxing I do in the month, but my Premium and Luxe boxes came together and my base box came separately a few days later, so that's why this is going up last. But that's what we're going to do, a full unboxing, review, and talk through of everything in the base subscription box for the month of September. Now, if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, because I upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into the September BoxyCharm box with me, stay tuned. All right, jumping right in, the theme card is the same as the premium box, which is the Strut Your Runway, Real Life Runway BoxyCharm, and I stand behind what I said in that video. This feels like what the theme cards would have been in like 2018. Definitely a little on the tacky side, definitely not as elevated and exciting as the recent themes, but honestly, the boxes don't have themes anymore. Once upon a time when the box was like pretty in pink, all of the products were pink or the packaging was pink and it looked like a theme. Now there's a theme because there's a theme, but it doesn't actually have anything to do with what's inside the box. That being said, we're going to see if today's box is worth it. The way I like to look at it is this subscription box is $26.99, $29.99. It's in that $30 price point. So I like to look at the box and say, would I be better off taking $30 and going to Ulta, Sephora, Amazon, Walmart, wherever you get your beauty products, and spending it on myself there, or in this subscription box? Now, I do also want to remind you, this is a PR box that is sent to me for reviewing purposes, complimentary from the brand. They do it so that I review it, but they do not own this video. They are not sponsoring me. They are not paying me. They are sending it to me to review. You're going to get my honest feedback. I tell you when I love a box, and I tell you when I don't. And we're going to be completely honest, as always. First item out of the box is going to be from the brand Wander Beauty. This is the On The Glow Blush and Illuminator. Wander Beauty's original award-winning multitasker delivers a full look in the palm of your hand. On The Glow can be used on cheeks, eyes, lips, and body, streamlining your beauty routine and helping you do more with less. The cream color on one end and a buildable illuminator on the other. On The Glow keeps you gorgeous on the go, retailing for $38. This is in the shade Bare. Now, I have used this product, and I'm not going to say I don't like it, but I'm going to just pull out a few things really quickly, because this is not what I would call an innovative product. Pulling out my tub of cream products. When it comes to double-sided, we have Ciate, we have Beauty for Real, we've got Wander, we've got so many different options, and I really, I don't want to say that they're not exciting, I don't want to say they're not good, but once you've tried, I have one from Ciate Beauty, but once you've tried one, you've kind of tried them all. Now, there are some nuances and differences to the different formulations, but what I will say is, despite those differences, there's really not too much. I will say, I love the one from Ciate. I love the one from Beauty for Real even more than the one from Ciate. I think it's a little more buildable. I think it's a little bit more smooth when it goes on the skin. Doesn't bunch or patch as easily. Wander, I would say, is right in the middle of the two, because I have owned this product in the past. I did downsize it for my collection just because I don't really use the cream products I have. Definitely not a bad product. Definitely a great brand, but not for me. Next, from the brand Ace Beauty, this is going to be the Violet Sage palette. Let me tell you, I love Ace Beauty palettes and their formulas. It is so good. I have probably 6 palettes from them. And just like I thought, Violet and Sage, it's going to be pink, purple with a little bit of green. Definitely a cute color story there. This palette features a combination of light and airy colors, some deep colors to spark creativity, and most variety of looks. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff, retailing for $32. Now, I love a palette like this because when you're doing a purple smoky eye, this shade up here, that umber shade with a little bit of that warmth to it, just makes these type of wisteria shades really, really pop. I am going to be trying this in an upcoming video, but I did a little research, and it is not a new formula. It is the same traditional Ace Beauty formula that I already know and love. So I can tell you I'm going to like it. We'll do a tutorial with it just so that we can try the palette, but 10 out of 10 already. The next product comes from Ciate London, and this is the Bamboo Bronzer. I have tried quite a bit from Ciate. They sent me their blush collection and their cream bronze collection, but I haven't tried their pressed bronzer. I do have a few of their pressed blushes. I will track those down later, but it is such a nice formula in the blush, so I am excited to give the bronzer a try. I think that's a nice shade too. The oil controlling formulation is infused with botanical ingredients, including bamboo powder for a shine-free, sun-kissed finish. The super lightweight powder can be swept across cheekbones for a subtle glow, or built up to contour and chisel your features, retailing for $25. There's a little bit of a sheen in there, so I think it's going to have this really beautiful satin finish on the skin. We are going to test this out in an upcoming video. I know I said this earlier, but I do have a video coming where I'm trying all of the subscription box beauty in one video. It's going to be all 3 BoxyCharms, both of my Ipsies, a ton of products. So we're going to try all of that out together. And the next 2 items, I'm going to be honest, feel like filler items. I've received these brands before and I've never been impressed. The first is going to be Vintage by Jessica. This is the sparkling lip gloss. Give your lips a glittery glow with this sheer reflective formula that provides luminous shine and sophisticated shimmer. It can be worn alone or over your favorite lipstick with a lip pencil for a perfectly polished pout. Retailing for $25. We got a lip gloss from this brand, actually, in like 2018. It's been a long time. It actually might have been this exact color because I remember this. So, I mean, hopefully this isn't something that's just been sitting in a warehouse for 3 years and they're trying to get rid of, but definitely not a product I remember enjoying. I will try and find the original video because I have all of my Boxy videos from back then still published, and I'm pretty sure I hated the applicator, but I will have to go back and check. But that's going to be a pass from me. And from Basic Beauty, we have a gel lip liner duo. These gel lip liners are creamy, long-lasting, and hydrating. They glide smoothly onto the lips and blend with little to no effort, retailing for $24. Now, I said this in, I think, my Luxe video. We got a duo of lip liners as well. And, yep, just like in that video, these look like things we've received a dozen times. There's nothing exciting about them. It's a lip liner, and it's a duo, and it is not that impressive. When it comes to lip liners, it is, like, I use the same 3, pretty much. These are going to be different colors, of course, but the same 3 brands. It is consistently Dominique Cosmetics, Makeup Forever, and Beauty For Real. I have them in multiple shades each, and those are going to be my go-to liners because they are that good. When I get something like this, it just feels a little bit like a throwaway. Now, all in this box had a retail value of $144. When I think, did I get $30 out of this box? The answer is absolutely yes, because of the 2 items that I actually am excited to play with. The palette's $32, the bronzer is $25. Easily gets you the $30 price point right there. The other items, I remember early on in my collection, I would have loved to get different color lip liners to experiment and play around. But at this point where I have more liners than I know what to do with and more makeup than any one person should have, I really don't see a purpose in products like this. I do love that BoxyCharm allows you to explore different things, and maybe it's a color I might not have tried once upon a time. Now I know what I like, and I can't wait to put some of these products to the test, but I'm going to be passing on 3 out of 5 in this box. Now, the 2 I liked were 2 of the more expensive items in the box, so when it comes to value, you definitely get it there. But I will say, as a box, not amazing. However, I am so excited about these 2 products, it makes up for the fact that half of the items feel like filler. As always, let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!